paradigm shift has taken place in recent decades. Just as Copernicus and Galileo overturned the myth that the Earth was at the center of the universe, so contemporary neuroscience has revolutionized our understanding of the potential to improve our mental functioning as we age. Your mental abilities, including memory, are designed to improve throughout life. Neuroscientists call this neuroplasticity. Neuro refers to your neurons, your brain cells. You've got more than 100 billion of these, and plasticity means changeable, malleable. We also know that you can generate new brain cells and new connections every day of your life. Neuroscientists call this neuroneogenesis. Your brain is not, as was once thought, a compartmentalized, hardwired static machine whose parts eventually wear out. Instead, it is highly adaptable and dynamic, capable of regenerating and evolving every day. In other words, with appropriate training, you can raise your IQ, improve your memory, and sharpen your intelligence throughout life. And you don't have to be a genius to learn how to think like one, because your brain is much better than you may think.